Let me
Yes.
check. Yes, wow. Hi, my name is Teacher Rachel. Hello. How about you? May I know your name, please? What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Again? My name
My name is Tom.
Tom. Wow. Lovely name. So, Tom, what are your hobbies? What do you love doing? What are the things that you love? Tom, you love
I
to.
I like
Okay.
I like to play basketball.
Wow. Playing basketball. Wow. As for me, Tom, I play the piano. Ooh, I love playing the piano. How about you? Do you know how? Do you know how to play the piano, Tom? Not
No.
now. Oh, that's okay. So, Tom, are you ready for our lesson for tonight? Ready?
Yes.
Yes, of course. So, Tom, for this lesson, I want you to listen well to me, okay? And look at my mouth when I say the words. You'll find out in this lesson, Tom. Just follow. For part A, we have I wonder. We will think. We will think about it, Tom, and we will find out what are those things that animals need. Okay, so let us start now with part A. I have some questions for you, Tom. First, do you keep pets? Do you have a pet, Tom?
Yes.
Yes, and what is it? Is it a dog or a cat? What is it, Tom?
Dog.
Dog. Wow.
Dog.
Okay. What is the name? Does it have a name has a name or something? Your dog. What's the name?
Uh,
Okay, never mind. So next. What pets do you like to keep? What pets do you like to keep?
你想要养什么
Okay,
宠
do you like to keep or do you love to take care of? Okay, Tom.
I
Like
I I
good.
I want to animals.
I want to keep.
Elephants.
What is that, Tom?
Elephants.
Again, sorry.
Elephants.
Elephants? Like this? Okay, let me just. This one? Correct?
Yes.
Yes, wow. Wow. I can see, Tom, that you are an animal lover. Wow, you want to keep elephants. But it's really big, right? But yeah, don't worry about it. So, next. Next question, Tom. Do you give your pet water, food, and a place to live? Do you give your pet water?
Yes.
Yes. And, okay, so yes. Do you give them water? Let me hear. Yes or no?
No.
Okay, okay.
你给它喝水
Again. Do you give your animal or pet water? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, good. How about food? Food.
Yes.
Yes, of course. And a place to live. A place to
Yes.
live. Yes, of course. Tom, another word for a place to live is called shelter. Say it for me. Shelter.
Shorter.
Good. Okay. So this time, Tom, let's have this. Ooh, you told me about elephant earlier. We have here a picture. Wow, an elephant. Tom, what is the elephant doing? Can you tell teacher?
It,
Okay.
it's drinking water.
Wow, that is correct. It's drinking water. Okay, what do you call this, Tom? What do you call his nose? What trunk? Can you say it?
Trunk.
Trunk. Good. So
Trunk.
it's the nose of the elephant. Next. Tom, what is the cat doing? Can you guess? Can you tell me? What? Okay. Drinking milk. It's drinking milk. But good try. Drinking milk. Again, Tom, what is the cat doing?
Yes.
Okay. Read this for me. It's
It's drinking milk.
milk. Good job. Okay, good. Next. So, Tom, do animals need water? Do animals need water? What's your answer?
Yes.
Yes. Why, Tom? Yes. Can you guess? What is the cat?
It's eating grass.
Good, very good. It's eating grass. That is correct. Next. What is the lion eating? Tom? What is the lion eating?
It's eating meat.
Wow, okay, very good. It's eating meat. Okay, very scary lion that we have here. Last. So, Tom, do animals need food?
Yes.
Yes. Because? Okay. Because what? Animals need food. Okay. Read this one, Tom. Animals need food to keep them alive. To keep them alive because they will die if they won't eat. Okay, read this one for me, Tom. Read the sentence. Animals.
Animals need food to keep them
Alive.
alive.
Good job. Okay. So now we found out that animals need water. Say this for me. Water. Okay, Tom?
Yes.
Yes, water and what? Water and what else?
Water.
Water and what's this word?
Food.
Food. Okay, so we are done with part B. Next, finding out. Okay, we still have number 3 and 4. And we have here a bird singing. Where is the bird singing? Where is the bird singing? Can you
It's on tree.
Yes. The bird, okay, let's say the bird is on the tree. On the tree. Very good. Now repeat after me, Tom. Say this sentence. The bird is on the tree. Okay? The bird.
Yes.
Okay.
The bird is on the
On
tree.
the tree. Very good. Next. How about this fish? Where is the fish swimming? What do you call that? What do you call that thing? We say okay.
It's the fish. It's in the fish bowl.
Yes, very good. It's in the fish bowl. Yay, very good. Or aquarium. Okay. So these are what we called shelter. It's their place or it's their home. Okay. Last question, Tom. Do animals need shelter? What do you think? Do animals need shelter?
Do animals need shelter?
What do you think? Yes or no? Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Yes.